guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in the bottom corner you'll see like a little picture. If you see that little picture, leave a comment below or give me a thumbs up. This is just showing you what you will need to make this hair mask. As you can see, I put like 4 teaspoons of Mayo in there, and then I'll definitely go ahead and mix that up a little bit later, but I'm not going to do that right now because I'm measuring everything out. And this is just my DIY hair mask that I normally use on my head. It really feels good after you wash your hair, especially if you have dandruff or itchy scalp. This helps a lot to soothe it and cool it down. But I just put a little bit of my grapeseed oil, and by any means, you guys, you can use whatever kind of mayo, whatever kind of grapeseed oil you have on hand, whatever kind of honey you have on hand, whatever type of eggs you like to eat. Me personally, I just like to use what works best for me. You should go ahead and get all that goodness out of there, off that teaspoon, and then it's going to be time to mix it in pretty soon after I put the egg in there. So yeah. So the reason why I had water in the first, in the beginning, if you can see, I had a little water in there because I want my mask to be a little bit watery and not so thick. But you can definitely leave the water out, and I'm going to touch and let you guys see it. It is kind of wet. I love that consistency. So like I said, you can leave the water out to make it thicker, but I love it this way.